Bhairavai Namaha. My name is Dr. Revati Rani Agarwal. Basically, I am from Haryana and now currently working in the scientific research area at Department of Atomic Energy in Chennai. So I came to know about this temple sometime back in 2022 through online platform, and then I planned, okay, I take pilgrimage to this temple Shri Bhairav Nilayam. So when I had first darshanam of Tavatiru Bharva Swamiji, it was a very, very different experience. And then since then, I have been regularly coming here for attending pujas, abhishekam, homams, and yesterday I attended Purnima Girivalam. Attending pujas is a very, very different and special experience the way it is conducted here. Whenever I go back home, I just plan when can I next again come to this temple Shri Bhairav Nilayam. So knowing about this place and having darshan of Tavatiru Bharva Swamiji is one of the best experience that has happened in my life. So when I came to Chennai, being in Tamil Nadu, a hub of great old temples, I got opportunity to visit and take pilgrimage to many other places. But when I came here, the way pujas are conducted by Swamiji, followed by Swami Ashirvadam and then Swami Prasadam, is hardly to see at other places. That's why every time I feel like to come here again and again. Purnima day, I got opportunity to do very special linga, Spatik linga, consecrated by our Tavatiru Swamiji. One can do abhishekam with his own hands, and yesterday, along with Swamiji, we did abhishekam puja with milk, curd, honey, and other auspicious materials. Touching the linga and sitting so close with the Spatik linga is a very, very special experience, and it recharges and rejuvenates not somewhere deep inside body. And also followed by that, I also got opportunity to participate in the special Purnami Homam Puja, where I could offer all the auspicious materials inside Homam Kund. While sitting there and background, all chants, mantras are going on, it feels like I am somewhere in different place, not definitely at physical space. Also, in some time back, I also attended the full 11 days annual festival, which is celebrated in a very, very grand way here somewhere in November month. Every day from morning till night, pujas and rituals will be happening, and one, if just be in the temple, no need to think about any other place to go. Full day goes in a flow, starting with opening of the temple at 5 a.m. and closing of the temple at night 9 p.m. I have seen that very, very special attention is paid to every small and small aspect when it comes to day rituals happening here. Having prasadam at Annapurna kitchen gives a great satisfaction. Here, Annapurna works from morning till night without any break, and menu is decided very, very carefully. At morning we have different items every day, like pongal, idli, vada, dosa set, etc. And for lunch timing we have sambar sadam. At lunch time we have full plate meals, like including rice, sabji, sambar, rasam, including everything. And at dinner we have special roti set, which is rarely seen in Tamil Nadu. On special occasions like Mahashivratri and 11 days temple festival, Swamiji arranges a special food for all the devotees whoever come here for temple darshanam. To my surprise, the food is offered free of cost to everyone without any discrimination, be it whoever comes to temple. Bhairavai Namaha.